In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix audio in Canva. So if your sound is missing or too quiet, follow along with each step and we will get it working again. First, click the audio track on the timeline. This is the colored bar that usually sits under your video clips at the bottom of the editor. When it is selected, you will see a thin outline appear around it, and the top toolbar will change to show audio options. If you have more than one audio track, make sure you click the one you actually want to hear in your video. Once that is done, make sure it is not muted. Look just above the timeline or near the top toolbar for the small speaker icon linked to that audio track. If the icon has a line through it, that means Canva is muting that track. Click the speaker icon once to unmute it. When it is unmuted, the line disappears and you should also see the volume slider become active, usually set somewhere around 100%. Now click play to preview the video. Use the play button just above the timeline so you hear exactly what Canva will export. As the video plays, watch the small audio level indicators near the preview window or on the timeline. If the green bars move while the video is playing, Canva is sending audio, so any silence you hear is happening outside the editor, not inside your project. Next up, check your computer volume and make sure the browser is not muted. Start by looking at the volume icon on your computer taskbar. Confirm it is turned up to a reasonable level, not at 0. Then hover over your browser tab and see if it shows a small speaker icon with a mute symbol. If it does, click it so the tab is no longer muted. A lot of people forget that they muted the tab earlier, so Canva seems broken when it is only the browser blocking sound. At this point, if you still do not hear anything, refresh Canva and try again. Click the refresh button in your browser, or press the standard refresh shortcut for your computer. The page will briefly reload, and Canva will reopen your design with the same timeline and audio track in place. When everything appears again, press play one more time and listen. A quick refresh clears many temporary glitches, especially if the editor has been open for a long time or your internet connection briefly dropped while you were working. By following these steps, you just checked your Canva audio track, your mute settings, your system volume, and refreshed the editor to restore sound. If this walkthrough helped you get your Canva audio working again, give the video a quick thumbs up so others can find it, and subscribe if you want more clear Canva tips.